My name is Greg Crozier. I'm the Dean of Students for the Junior High at Lewis Cass Junior Senior High School in Walton, Indiana. Today we had Jake from Vive18 and he put on an assembly for our junior high students. It was very engaging, it was informative, entertaining. It was that nice balance of the kids having a really good time and interacting, but still feeling the impact of a serious message that our junior high kids, some of the struggles that they're facing across the country, and I thought it was fantastic. Just in reference to what I just said, a lot of the programs that we've seen prior, it's a lot of the speaker talking, and so the students are expected to sit and listen for an extended period of time. With this format, the students were engaged throughout almost the whole presentation. There was a game, it was very interactive with Jake and the students. So I think having that blend makes it a little more impactful than just sitting and listening. Today's junior high student is a lot different than when I was a junior high student. They've got the world at their fingertips with the internet and social media, and there are so many more pressures today on preteens and early teen kids. And I think if they see an adult that's been successful and that's articulate and they can deliver their message about how they kind of navigated some of those challenges, I think it resonates with the junior high kids and maybe strategies that they can use moving forward to try to stay away from that stuff. I would 100% recommend Vive18 to any junior high program that's looking for someone to deliver this type of message. Very worthwhile. A lot of times we don't like to take kids out of the classroom, but in this case it was 100% worth it. Highly recommend it.